Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
A vast blood-red desert under a burning sunset, the sky painted in fiery orange and crimson. A towering demon warrior named Ragnar, with glowing crimson eyes and black armor etched with ancient runes, standing in the blood-red desert. A mysterious Biwa girl dressed in flowing traditional robes, holding a Biwa instrument glowing with supernatural energy. The desert dissolves into a magical transition. Golden flames swirl and twist, engulfing the scene. A grand steakhouse lodge with roaring fireplaces, heavy chandeliers casting golden light, and rustic wooden beams. A long table is stacked with plates of sizzling steak, juices dripping onto glowing embers. Close-up of Ragnar, the demon warrior, now calm but imposing, holding a massive plate with a perfectly flame-seared steak. The meat glistens, dripping with juices sizzling in the firelight. His eyes burn with pride as he offers it forward, the flames behind him forming a glowing halo.
The short anime film you just watched was made using the brand new Animon Studio. No prior skills, no special talent needed, just your imagination, a little time, and the right AI tools. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I created it step by step. Ready to start building your own anime series with Animon Studio? If so, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Animon AI just launched Animon Studio, a full-featured, movie-ready anime maker. With this upgrade, you get 6 high-quality anime styles in full 2K resolution, plus powerful image-to-image editing for precision tweaks. When you're ready to animate, the image-to-video function delivers smooth playback at 1080p, 24 frames per second. You might wonder, how does this compare to other tools like Runway, Kling, VO3, or Hilo? The difference is those platforms are built for general purpose video generation, which often leads to uneven anime results. Now, Animon Studio, on the other hand, is purpose built for anime. The AI models are trained on anime specific aesthetics and storytelling patterns, which is why the result looks sharp, consistent, and professional, perfect for creating a full anime series. Now, to get started, just click sign up on the home screen. You can register with your email or Google account. With the free plan, you can create unlimited AI videos, but access to Animon Studio itself requires an upgrade. So the studio plan is $49 per month, or you can test it out with the studio trial plan, which costs less than $1 for 3 days. So this is the Animon interface. So you have right here on the left side, image, anime, assets, and subscribe. So let's click on image. And right here, let's test out text to image first. So let's type in our prompt. So I have my prompt right here. So down here, let's select Anyframe Pro 1.0. Pick an aspect ratio, style, and number of generations. Let's click generate. And here is the result. So it looks amazing. Now let's try image to image. So I have a reference image here. So let's upload this one. And I have a prompt here. So let's paste it in. Click on generate. And the AI will transform it. And here is the result. Looking nice. Now let's try image editing. So let's choose an image, describe the changes in the prompt box, click generate, and compare the before and after. Now to try image to anime, let's click on anime on the left side. Let's use image to anime for single reference or in betweens to animate between 2 frames. So let's upload our image, add a video prompt. Let's select Anycat Pro 1, choose 720p, and hit generate. And here's the result. Here are the simple steps to create anime short with Animon Studio and a few extra AI tools. So to create video, let's start by generating images. then turn them into videos. So sometimes the first output won't be perfect, so just simply recreate until you get the shot you want. So let's just do what we did earlier. Click on generate. And now after you get all the videos, let's start adding some voices. So for free anime voices, you can use Fish Audio's free plan. So create an account, go to text to speech, pick an anime voice model, paste in our script, and click on generate. Now let's repeat for each scene. And for the last part, let's bring it all together in a video editor. So I'm using CapCut in this example. So let's import our Animon Studio clips, arrange them in sequence, then add the voices from Fish Audio. So let's enhance our project with sound effects, music, and subtitles for a polished, professional result. So once everything looks right, let's export our final video and share it to others. So let's play it.
Vast blood-red desert under a burning sunset, the sky painted in fiery orange and crimson. A towering demon warrior named Ragnar, with glowing crimson eyes and black armor etched with ancient runes, standing in the blood-red desert. A mysterious Biwa girl dressed in flowing traditional robes, holding a Biwa instrument glowing with supernatural energy. The desert dissolves into a magical transition. Golden flames swirl and twist, engulfing the scene. A grand steakhouse lodge with roaring fireplaces, heavy chandeliers casting golden light, and rustic wooden beams. A long table is stacked with plates of sizzling steak, juices dripping onto glowing embers. Close-up of Ragnar, the demon warrior, now calm but imposing, holding a massive plate with a perfectly flame-seared steak. The meat glistens, dripping with juices sizzling in the firelight. His eyes burn with pride as he offers it forward, the flames behind him forming a glowing halo.
And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Making professional videos used to mean big budgets and endless editing. Introducing Videsha, the breakthrough AI video creator that does it all in minutes. From long form YouTube videos to attention grabbing TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even ads, Videsha crafts high quality content in any style like cartoons, 3D illustrations, or even faceless narration, all without having you to pick up a camera. Just enter your idea, choose a look, and let Videsha handle the rest. Videsha gives you direct access to AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok, ensuring your videos always stand out. No crew, no editing, no waiting. Get results in seconds, perfect for every platform. So what are you waiting for? Get Videsha now. Just go to getvidesha.in.